We've had two robotic pool vacuums that have just stopped working on us, so instead of replacing another expensive robot, I wanted something simpler this time. So we decided to try this cordless handheld pool vacuum, and honestly I didn't expect it to work as well as it does. We have a 33,000 gallon in-ground pool that's 4 feet in the shallow end and 8 feet in the deep end, so it gets a mix of leaves, dirt, and whatever else blows in. We've been using this vacuum for both deep cleaning when there's a lot of debris and light maintenance cleaning in between. Included is a cordless handheld pool vacuum with a rechargeable battery system, a 10.23-inch cleaning brush head, a high-quality aluminum telescopic pole that extends 48.4 to 85.4 inches, and a 2-liter debris container. One important thing to know before you get started is that once you turn it on, you have 60 seconds to get it fully submerged in the water. The entire unit needs to be completely immersed and filled with water within that window, or it will automatically shut off. So just make sure you're ready to drop it in before you power it on, and once it's in the water, it gets right to work. This has almost 1,600 GPH of suction, powered by a 40-watt motor, and it actually does a solid job pulling in leaves, sand, and debris from the bottom of the pool. The 2-liter debris container is larger than I expected, so I'm not constantly stopping to empty it. It's easy to clean out though, with just rinsing both the container and filter and then putting it back on the cleaning unit. One of my favorite parts is the cleaning head. You can use the unit with or without it, but I personally prefer using it with the cleaning head attached. Without it, you can pick up larger debris as long as it's not larger than the suction hole. The large cleaning head though is great for cleaning my entire pool, including the stairs. We did find that we needed to switch poles in order to clean the deep end of our pool. Luckily, we have multiple poles that reach all the way to the bottom, and it was really easy to swap out. You just release the spring clip from the included pole, transfer it to your longer pole, clip it into the unit, and you're good to go. So this is what we're working with before cleaning. There's a lot of sand, dirt, and leaves, especially at the bottom of the deep end. Now watch how the vacuum pulls debris directly into the chamber as I move across the bottom of the pool. It's not instant magic, but it's consistent and controlled. You go at a nice, slow, steady pace, and you get about 75 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is more than enough for a full pass of our pool. The indicator light on the vacuum will flash blue during normal operation, and then it will flash red when the battery is running low. When you're charging it, it will flash red, and then it will turn green when it's fully charged. It's important to note that this vacuum is not meant for algae cleanup or heavy buildup, but it's best for leaves, sand, and everyday debris maintenance. We switched to this after two robotic vacuums stopped working on us, and I just wanted something that's simpler, cordless, and easier to maintain. So far, this has been a really practical solution for keeping our pool clean without the hassle of a full robotic system. For the size of our pool, this vacuum has been a really solid fit, and I'm definitely glad that we got it.